Should we have it every year? Should we have it 2 years? In the past, actually, the kings in Uganda used to meet. We've got pictures at Mengo, where you have Mugabe, where you have so many. They used to have those scholars. And I'm so happy that the Minister of Gender and the President saw it fit to have this revived. And the ones who have brought this on board, the minister should also think about the development of cultural institutions. While budgeting, first of all, we're not allowed to levy taxes. How do we survive? I'm requesting that in your budget, since we follow an agenda, a provision to support the local, the constitutional heads and their governments should be provided. We've got to support the institution to grow. And when the institution grows, it means that our children will also be able to survive in the new Uganda. Our role is to ensure that what was revived thrives. That's the most important. What was revived, reinstated, thrives. And nobody is going to help us. It is us. We've got a population of Uganda in all the cultural institutions, areas, people are supporting. They're not saying we don't want cultural institutions. No, it is our symbol. Therefore, we must make sure that the